Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the displayed language in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device by locating the Telegram app and tapping on it. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll find 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to access the Telegram menu. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings by tapping on it. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, look for the Languages option and tap on it. Step 5. Now, you will see a list of available languages. Simply select the language you want to use as the displayed language in Telegram. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the displayed language in Telegram. Enjoy using Telegram in your preferred language. By following these easy steps, you can customize your Telegram experience by switching to your desired language. It's a great way to make Telegram more accessible and user-friendly. Changing the displayed language in Telegram allows you to overcome language barriers and communicate more effectively with others. Whether you're a native speaker or learning a new language, Telegram provides a wide range of language options to suit your needs. Customizing the displayed language in Telegram not only enhances your messaging experience, but also makes it easier to navigate through the app's features and settings. It ensures a seamless and personalized user interface tailored to your language preferences. Language should never be a barrier to effective communication, and Telegram understands that. With just a few taps, you can switch to any supported language and enjoy a more engaging and inclusive messaging experience.